Dear parents and students, welcome to an informative video. My name is Gladson Lee Joseph. In this video, I will be explaining you about what all are the latest changes that has happened in JEE Main examination. Till 2018, JEE Main was conducted by CBSE board. But from the year 2019 onwards, JEE Main is conducted by NTA, National Testing Agency. JEE Main is the entrance examination which is conducted for the students who is aspiring to get admissions in NITs, which is National Institute of Technology, IIITs, which is Indian Institute of Information Technology, and many other government-funded technical institutions. From the year 2020 onwards, there are some changes in the exam pattern happened in JEE Main. Let's discuss about these changes in detail. Basically, in JEE Main, there are three papers. Paper 1 is for the student who is aspiring admissions in the field of BE or BTech. Paper 2 is for the student who is aspiring admissions in the field of Bachelor of Architecture. Paper 3 is for the student who is aspiring admissions in Bachelor of Planning. In paper 1, the student needs to write physics, chemistry and mathematics. Earlier, each paper has 30 questions. That means physics 30 questions, chemistry 30 questions, mathematics 30 questions. That makes total number of questions 90. Each correct answer has 4 marks and each wrong answer has -1 mark. So earlier the total mark was 360 and the total time was 3 hours. From 2020 onwards, there is a change in this number of questions. Earlier, all the 90 questions was MCQ also, which you already know, multiple choice questions. But from 2020 onwards, physics will be having only 25 questions, chemistry will be having only 25 questions, and mathematics will also have 25 questions. That means there is a reduction in number of questions. And there is a change in the mode of question also. Out of this 25 questions, 20 questions will be MCQs and 5 questions will be objective type. MCQ means multiple choice questions. In multiple choice question, you will be having 4 or 5 options and you need to take the correct options and fill it. In objective type questions, you need to solve the question and find the answer. The answer will be an integer, that means a number. So that makes the total number of questions in paper 1 for JEE Main from the year 2020 onwards as 75 questions, and the main change is the objective type questions, that means 5 questions in each subject, is not having negative marking. Negative marking is only for MCQ questions. So the total marks from 2020 for JEE Main paper 1 will be 300 and the total time remains same as 3 hours. I hope it's an interesting change happened in the exam pattern for the students who is preparing hard for the JEE Main 2020. Now let's discuss about paper 2 and paper 3 also. In paper 2, the student needs to write mathematics, aptitude and drawing. In mathematics also, the same changes apply. Mathematics will be having 25 questions and in the 25 questions, 20 questions will be MCQs and 5 questions will be objective type. Same goes for paper 3 also. In paper 3 also, the student needs to write mathematics, aptitude and planning. In paper 3 also, mathematics will be having 25 questions and out of 25 questions, 20 questions will be MCQs and 5 questions will be objective type. So these all are the changes which has happened in JEE Main from the year 2020 onwards. JEE Main happens twice in a year, once in January month and second in April month. But due to COVID in the year 2020, April month examination was not able to conduct and the exam was postponed. The latest date of JEE Main 2020 is from September 1st to September 6th. I hope this information will be helping the students, those who are preparing for JEE Main 2020. I wish all the students all the best and make sure that you are preparing hard for JEE Main 2020.